everyone, I'm Medha Agarwal, a partner at Redpoint Ventures. A few weeks ago, I published a market map on the fintech landscape, and we launched a video series to dive deeper into each of the segments. Today, we're going to talk more about B2B payments. B2B payments companies, at its core, facilitate payments between businesses, i.e., the process through which they make payments and get paid. It's a huge market with $125 trillion globally spent every year. At the most basic level, there are two components to a B2B payments offering. Firstly, there's the payment itself, facilitating ACH, check, credit, or virtual card payments between companies and their suppliers, usually charged for on a per transaction basis. And then there's the SaaS component, which includes workflows to help finance teams process payment approvals, reconcile the books, and detect anomalies of fraud. Despite the number of successful companies in this market, I don't think this issue is by any means solved. I've talked to a ton of businesses, and no one is happy with their setup and vendors. Companies have mentioned that they are dissatisfied with the workflows that are really complex, the time to process payments, the complexity in managing money movement across their banks, and a whole host of other issues. So huge market and no one is happy. To me, that screams opportunity. I don't think there's just going to be one winner. Given all the different use cases and needs, just look at Bill, Toast, Square. They're just a few examples of very large public companies all playing in this space. I think success is all about finding the right wedge. These products often have so many features and modules, and a startup can't build all of those on day one. If the burning need is there, it means that a customer will be willing to buy a net new additional product in their stack to solve that issue, and then the company can expand over time and replace other products in that stack. Bill.com is an established player, but definitely still one to watch. Despite being around since 2006, it's still growing really quickly and has some really interesting network effects. Ramp in the Redpoint portfolio is another incredible company revolutionizing corporate cards and broader spend management. I'd love for someone to build a next-gen Bill.com. It's a great product, but it really stops working for companies as they have more complex needs and as they scale. We've talked to dozens of CFOs about their workflows, and they mention time and time again the pain points they have around workflows, foreign exchange, and many others. And there's 6 themes that keep coming up, which we've documented in a previous post, and we'll link to the bottom of this video. There's a huge opportunity to reduce the large amount of manual work that's required to make payments and reconcile the books. We believe that the company able to do this most elegantly through workflows that enables a faster process is the one that's going to win. And I think that's way more important than full automation. I'm actually not sure full automation is even possible. Once a company's built a robust payment platform, the opportunities for product expansion are just enormous and includes everything from expense management, treasury management, and working capital, to name a few.